Assalamualaikum and hi. For today, we will look at Unit 9, A Heart of Gold, the grammar items. Today, we will learn about correlative conjunctions. We use correlative conjunctions to link two words or phrases of equal value from two sentences to form one sentence. Let's look at either or. It is used to indicate choices or possibilities. It is also used when making a positive decision between two or more things. For neither nor, it connects two or more negative alternatives, or the person wants to say that more than one thing is not true. Let's look at either or first. Either or, ia digunakan untuk menyatakan pilihan atau kemungkinan. Ia juga digunakan untuk membuat keputusan yang positif di antara dua atau lebih perkara. Manakala untuk neither nor, ia menggabungkan dua atau lebih pilihan. Penulis juga ingin menyatakan bahawa lebih dari satu perkara itu tidak benar. Let's look at either or. The first sentence, you may either go to the library or a bookstore to get a copy of the required reading materials. So from the first sentence, we can see that the person can choose between a library or a bookstore to get a copy of his or her required reading materials. So here, we must use either or. We cannot use neither nor, because if we use neither nor, then the meaning will be incorrect. Next, you can either stay here or come with us. And last but not least, it was either James or Thomas who received your message. For these sentences, remember we must use either or to indicate choices or possibilities. Next, neither nor. The first sentence, neither Tom nor his wife mentioned anything about moving to a new house. So for this sentence, Tom didn't mention that they were moving, and his wife didn't mention that they were moving. So both Tom and his wife didn't mention anything about moving to a new house. So here we can see that in this sentence, it connects two or more negative alternatives. So here we must use neither nor. We cannot use either or. Next, Lisa liked neither Rome nor Paris. She prefers the countryside. So Lisa here, she prefers the countryside. She didn't like Rome and Paris. So we must use neither nor. And last but not least, neither Jenny nor Jisoo was to blame for the mistake. So here, we also need to use neither nor. We cannot use either or, because if we use either or, then it means that maybe one of them, maybe Jenny or Jisoo, was to blame for the mistake. Now look at the questions and try to answer it on your own. Before we end our class, let's do some revision. Either or. The example of either or is, I have to choose either a cat or a rabbit as my pet. For neither nor, he drinks neither the milk nor the tea. I want you to read the notes again, and then please do your model on page 14 and 15. That is all for today. Thank you. Do you have any questions? If you have any questions, then please PM me on my WhatsApp number. Goodbye.